Everyone, welcome to Module 3 AI Content Creation Mastery of AI Blogging Mastery 2026 course. So far, we have learned how to choose a niche, perform keyword research, and set up a blog website. Now it's time to learn one of the most important skills in modern blogging: how to create high quality content using AI tool. Because in blogging, content is everything. But remember one thing: generating content with AI is easy. Generating valuable, SEO friendly, and hormone like content is the really skills. And in this module, we will going to learn exactly that. Lesson number 8: Chat GPT and AI prompt for blogging. In this lesson, you will learn what is AI prompt are, how to write better prompt, the right way to use AI for blogging, and how to get accurate and useful output. Because the better prompt equal to better content. Lesson number 9, we will learn in this lesson: creating article structure, preparing effective headline, building SEO friendly outline, understanding the reader intent. A strong outline create a better articles in this lesson. And lesson number 10, write complete article using AI. In this lesson, we will learn practically how to generate, organize content properly, create informative content, prepare, publish, ready blog post. This is where AI become a powerful blogging assistant. And lesson number 11, humanize the content fact check. In this lesson, we will learn how to make AI content sound natural, remove robotic writing style, verify fact and information, improve readers' trust. Because trust is important in blogging. Okay, and the lesson number 12, we will create metadata, title, description, and fact section. We will cover writing SEO friendly title, creating compiling meta description, building fact section, improving SEO, and click through rate. Also, small optimization can create a big result in this lesson. Lesson number 13, we will learn about the internal linking and image optimization. In this lesson, we will learn how to add internal linking, optimize image, improve ranking, enhance user experience also. In this technique help increase the content of quality and website performance. By the end of this module, we will learn an AI generated SEO article, optimize title description, better content structure, a publish ready blog post, which means your first professional blog article will be ready. Now we are going to just learning about the blogging. We are learning how to blog smarter with AI. So let's begin with lesson number 8. Okay. So this is the practical module, and I will just explain how to generate AI content. First of all, this is my website, and do visit my website first one, newsmark.in. And this website is fully is AI generated website, and I am always generate article using AI. And this is my website. Just the internet is slow, so my website is, I think, yeah, this is my website. And okay, so in my website, news is just like a interesting fact, and just like not searching anyone in AI tool, just like a 15 good evening motivational quote in Hindi. Okay, सोने के पहले सोने के बाद मन कहाँ जाता है, just like an LPG subsidy alert, just like a result. So first of all, you have to find your niche. Okay, after that, you have to you have one title. So I just searching in Google Trend also. You can get help with Google Trend and find your niche about what is the niche your, and find one articles, and just this is related to my website. So I just copy. I think this is not a good, but uh, I just for भोजन का अनदेखा असर. Okay, so this is my article. Okay, because the this article is related to my website. So just copy this article. Fully article I have to copy. Full article I copied. Okay, this is long article. Okay, so this is the article, and just I copied, Control C, and this is the Google AI Studio. I just here write one iska do, because I am getting the result in Hindi, and I already given the prompt. After that, I will just explain you what is the prompt and how I have given the prompt. So get the result like this. Okay, so I have given full article to Google AI Studio, and they will write content. Just thinking. Okay, just wait. Okay, so this is the article, and this AI Studio provide me SEO meta information, all focus keyword, secondary focus keyword, SEO title, URL slung, meta title, meta description, and tag also. And this is the image code. This preview I just show you. This is the preview. भोजन का अनदेखा असर सात्विक आहार से बदले तन मन और अपनी दुनिया. This is my site logo, and I just screenshot this image. Okay, like that, and I have given this image to ChatGPT to create attractive image. Okay, this is the shortcut. Okay, this image इसका दो, इसकी attractive image दो, just like. Okay, so this ChatGPT create one image for attractive image they will create for me, and Google AI Studio generated full article. Here is the article. This is the article. I have given to full article copy, and they will provide me the article like that. Okay, so just go to your website, and here is my website, WordPress dashboard, post, add a new post. Here go to switch to blog editor, and here is title. So just go to your Google AI Studio. Here is the title. This is the title of this post. Okay, paste over here, and this title you have to paste over here. RankMath, if you are using the RankMath SEO, then you will get this. Okay, permalink, go to there, and URL Salang is the permalink. There is a permalink, and metadata description. Okay, this SEO is completed, and focus keyword. Go to your focus keyword tab, paste it here, and this secondary keyword. go to here, paste it here. Okay, and just go to tag, copy. I just create one article. After that, I will provide you how I have given the prompt to AI tool to get that type of result. Okay, so just wait, and this is the category. I have to choose education related category in both thought and Hindi. This is the category I have chosen. Okay, and just go to AI tool and image not required because I have given this image to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT create one image, attractive image. This is the attractive image. भोजन का अनदेखा असर सात्विक आहार से बदले तन मन और अपनी दुनिया. So this is the image. If someone is get in your mobile, so they have to read something new. This is the Satvik Ahar ke laab, first, second to 8 Satvik Ahar, and this is the girl, and very attractive image they have provide me, and just download this image. Okay, क्या कम करे और क्या त्यागे, सात्विक आहार में क्या शामिल करे. This is the attractive image. Okay, so image I have created, and just go to here, and here go to, and this is the code for article. Just plus sign, custom HTML, edit, and here you can paste and tell. This is the article, fully optimized article with internal linking also. Okay, and just go to here, and SEO is not completed because the SEO focus keyword is not good, I think. So you have to get, this is the focus keyword. You can change also. And okay, okay. So this is the focus keyword. Okay. Now 53 is SEO, and focus keyword does not found in SEO meta description. Meta description में you have to paste over here. 55 URL में भी नहीं है, लेकिन it's a Hindi, so it's okay. And just go to image. Here is the your focus keyword. This is focus keyword. Just go to image, set focus keyword in image, rename image, which is download from ChatGPT. Here is the rename. Okay. Image name and focus keyword name should be same. Okay. And here you have to all text also the same as focus keyword. This is the focus keyword. Set it. Now 60% is my SEO is completed. One of thing, you have to make one external link. Just select any of this and make a external link. So you will get a 65 percentage of SEO. And just to publish this, I'm just going to publish this article. Okay, and this is the publish, and I have to see my article. This is the my article. Right now I have written everything over here. Somebody is come to my article. They have to this the same name, same color combination also. This is the attractive article, and here is the some सात्विक भोजन और पर्यावरण एक वैश्विक जिम्मेदारी is called table form also, एंड टिप्स ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड है. अगली बार जब भी आप खाना खाने बैठे तो 1 मिनट मौन रखकर उस भोजन को परमात्मा को अर्पित करें. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड आर्टिकल, एंड दिस आर्टिकल and this is the image is attractive image. Okay, and just copy this article URL and paste and enter for Google search console. You have to submit for indexing. Okay, 1 or 2 minutes it's enough, and this URL will be on Google. Okay, I will show you later. But before going to, I have submitted. Okay, just wait. Okay, this is a submitted request and dismiss and test live URL. And I just explain you which prompt I have given to Google AI Studio to get this type of result. So prompt is the command which I have to given to AI Studio AI tool. So this is the command I have already given to this AI Studio, like that. I just explain you. Okay. Yeah, this is the command. आज आप जिस टेक्निक से लिख रहे हो वो मुझे कंप्लीट प्रॉम्प्ट दो। केवल यूआरएल और इंटरनल लिंकिंग के लिए मैं आपको यूआरएल दूंगा और टाइट आर्टिकल का टाइटल भी मैं दूंगा। लेकिन कोई भी एआई स्टूडियो या एआई टूल को मैं ये प्रॉम्प्ट दूँ तो ये आप जैसे लिख रहे हो वैसे ही वो भी एआई टूल लिखेगा। ठीक है, तो दिस इज द कमांड और प्रॉम्प्ट। ओके, दिस इज द rule. You are a senior SEO content strategist and full stage web developer specialized in Indian news and viral content. This is the very good line. And your goal is to write a high authorized authority ultra long form article 300 3000 plus word to 8000 plus word long for the website newsmug.in, and my newsmug DA is 19 and DR is 29 and 7-year old I have given. Okay, and I have given the my all URL. Just go to your website, and this is my website. Okay, and slash sitemap.in. This is my all the URL over here. Just copy and text form. This is the text file, and I have given this all the URL to AI Studio already, and they have to choose the related to article or title which we have we have given the command to write the article on this title. So they will automatically create internal linking 10 to 15 as based to article title, and SEO score should be the 100% rank math optimize, and they will create the HTML CSS only, but no heavy CSS file they have using, and they have create the schema for news article and fact section also. You can find over here. Just a minute. This is the schema already given the JSON LD structure data and schema and fact section also. Okay, so without fake or structured data, your article will not be shown in Google. This is the Google core update. Okay, so there is the follow Google algorithm complaints that strictly follow the Google double AAT guidelines. Okay, so then they have to provide me the SEO friendly article like that. This is my SEO friendly article, and this article will be ranked on Google. You can find out. See, here is I have just published my post and I have getting the 343 views. Okay, 343 views in this article itself right now. 1 minute. Okay, so this type of article, if you are writing in your blog post, you are definitely getting good result and good amount of money. You will also find the my Google AdSense ad also running in this article. Means that This article is fully human writing style. Okay. So this is my website, and to visit my website once again, and you will find the definitely get a good result. 344 views, 345 views, just today's. Okay. So this is the fact, you have to use AI to write a good number of articles. Okay. So I have just explained lesson 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In internal linking, I also explain you how to make internal linking using AI tool. So this is the module number 3, and this is the very important module number. And I have just provide you the prompt which I have written over here. This prompt I have provide with this course, and you will definitely get a course result. Okay, you have to just provide your title and internal linking text, so that you will definitely get a this type of result. Okay, so thank you for watching. This module is very important, and I have just show you my website speed is very 90 up, and desktop my website speed is 94. So I just analyze again, and analyzing, we have just submitted this article in Google Search Console. I just again show you this article is indexed or not. Index. Within a 1 minute, my website is indexing and fully index my URL is Google. Okay. So this is the technique you have to follow in AI world. Various AI tool is coming, and lots of blogger is left your blogger career, but you have to write something new. Okay. So this is my module number 3, and just I have to show you my website is speed. Website is speed also very good, 90 up. Desktop mode also 97, I think so. So you have your website is optimized, and next module I will just explain you how to increase your website speed like that, 90 up. Okay, which plugin you require to increase your website speed. Thank you, and just wait, this result is coming in desktop mode. Just wait. Please do visit my website newsmug.in. Just what is this? It's not a good. Okay, just again, sometime is wrong result will be coming. Okay, just wait. Video is lengthy, but I have just explained you practically. Everything is practically. Okay, so you can learn something practically. Okay, okay, 99 in desktop, and mobile is 97. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. We will meet you in next module.